demand for HVAC technicians right now is very high, whether you're working in the residential field or if you're working in the commercial field. You're not sitting in an office, you're constantly moving from place to place, you're meeting a lot of people.
What got me interested in this line of work was being able to obtain the knowledge to repair my own equipment, and I found out that it was an exciting field to work in.
The jobs and opportunities the students will have once they complete their certificate or degree is working in the field, either as a technician, doing repairs. There's also opportunities for sales.
As a manager for United Refrigeration, it's imperative that I hire college graduates because I find that that's very helpful and it's a smooth transition because it's not somebody just walking off the street. What I really enjoyed about the HVAC department was it brought people together from different backgrounds. The industry really gives everybody an opportunity.
Not only will we teach you the curriculum in the book, but you will also learn from our experience, 40 years experience in the field.